Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a PDF to an AWeber landing page. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Pages and Forms section. You can either edit an existing landing page or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll edit an existing page, so click the pencil icon next to your landing page. Now you're in the drag and drop editor. Type the text where you want to insert the link, and you can customize the text as needed. Once you've finished editing, you'll need to use a file hosting platform to upload your PDF file and get the link. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, click the plus icon, and select File Upload. Choose your PDF file to upload. Once the upload is complete, click the three dots next to your file, then select Share. In the new window, change the link setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Copy the file link. Go back to AWeber, select your text, and click the link icon to insert the link. Hit Save, and you're done. Your PDF file is now added to your landing page. Finally, click Save to save all changes. You can also preview your landing page to ensure everything is working correctly. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generated over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.